I will talk about how can you log out of your account on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on mine down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here, so that you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on log out here. So then here automatically it's going to take you out of your account on your NovelTown app. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.